Okay, so a quick preview of mini section 5. It goes like this. For this was end with 4. 5 goes whoa, ta, ta. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now let me break it down for you. So what you want to do, you are standing here, this is end of mini section 4. Your right is going to come from the back here up to your mouth here, and then you want to say whoa to the front, and then you sort of want to drag your right leg to the front, alright? Because you want to be standing like this. So once you have your arm here, you want to transition into this boom thing. So what you want to do is use both arms and do the circle here to the front, and then if you can use your chest as well. Let me just show it from the side. So what I'm doing here is I'm going whoa, and then I want to do a. You can also do something with your legs, all right? Boom, boom, okay? So when you combine it all together, it's gonna look like this. Way, all right? Now from here, what you wanna do is just jump out on both legs. You wanna bring that right arm down, and then you wanna pull it up, all right? And you wanna stand here with your arms like this, sort of facing this corner here, okay? So let me just recap. This is end of section 4. 5 goes way, and then you want to do 2 circles, and then you want to say jump down. I'm already jumping down here, so I'm facing this corner, all right? So from here, up, okay? Let's go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna practice saying whoa. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, whoa. Round, round, down, up. Now, timing-wise, it goes Y, curse with it, no, and then you want to go dun, dun. All right, that's a beat, beat. Let me show you again a bit faster so it makes sense. So from here, O-R-T, N-O-R-T, Y, curse with it, no, dun, dun. All right, guys, time to practice. So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna go Y, curse with it, no, dun, dun. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Y, curse with it, no, dun, dun. Let's try that one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Y, curse with it, no, dun, dun. All right, guys, almost at the end. This is the last minute session, okay? So this was previous minute section, boom, boom. Now the last one goes, let me just show you a quick preview. It goes way, tap, tap, tap. All right, now let me break that down for you. So you're standing here and you want to do this jump move, okay? It's a bit difficult to explain. It's sort of like a delayed jump. So I'm sort of stomping my foot here, and then there's a delayed jump, okay? So I'm going boom. All right, just try and practice the jump. Boom, boom, stomp, jump, stomp, jump. And then at the same time, you also want to jump to the side because you want to continue this to this side. Okay, so the first jump goes turn, bum, bum. Okay, so when I do it a bit fast, it's gonna look like this. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, now if you can't do the jump properly, just do wang, wang, wang. All right, just make sure to turn your body. Okay, so and the stopping. Boom. So boom, boom, boom. Now the arms are just going yay, yay, yay. Okay, so when you combine it, it's gonna look like this. Way, way, way. Let's just try and practice that. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go way, way, way. Now after you've done boom, 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 what you want to do is take your right leg, place it somewhere here on the heel, and then you want to take a small step, the back leg here to the side, and then you just want to bring that right leg in. Okay, so let me show you again. Boom, boom, boom. Right goes like this. Step back, and then back. Okay, so let me just recap this whole mini section here. So we're standing like this. I want to go jump, 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 and then I want to say right, left, right. Okay, try and practice with me. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go jump, 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 and right, left, right. Okay? Again, 5. From here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, 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 right, left, right. Now, as for the timing, it goes like this. Then from here, you say we ought to stay inside the line if we disobey. Okay? I'm sure that a bit faster. And then you ought to, you say we ought to stay inside the line if we disobey. Okay, guys, let's just practice one last time. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. You say we ought to stay inside the line if we disobey. Alright guys, that was the dance. Now let's time to do it from the tip to the top. I'm just gonna do a full dance run through and then we're gonna practice. Alright, so a quick run through. So let me just explain here. We're jumping on left, arms out, down, out, in, cross, in, out, down. Jump, mini jump, and wrong. Down, jump right, down, left, down, that's it. Left, right, left. And then the right arm goes, whoa, to the front. We go round, round, jump down, pull up, and then we say jump to the side, boom, and then we want to say right, left, right. Alright, so the timing goes something like this. Let's see if I remember. It goes dun, dun. We can S-P-L how we like. If enough of us are wrong, it's right. Every word N-O-R-T-Y. Cause we're bitten on. Dun, dun. You said we are inside the line if we disobey. Alright guys, time to practice. I'm gonna go slow. I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start ding, ding. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Ding, ding. We can S-P-L how we like. If enough of us are wrong, wrong is right. Every word N-O-R-T-Y. Cause we've been knocking, ding. You say we are safe inside the if we disobey. Alright, let's try that a bit faster and feel free to practice at your own pace if you need to. Alright? 5, 6, 7, 8. Ding, ding. We can S-E-L how we like. If enough of us are wrong, it's right. Every word N-O-R-T-Y. Cause we're not ding, say we are safe inside the line if we disobey. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.